What's poppin', YouTube? Coming at you with some more Control. And I did watch the first video, and it was super bassy. Like, wow, bassy. So I went in, and hopefully you're going to be able to hear her better when she's talking, and the bass. They like to drop the bass in this game a lot. Now, we talked to this chick, and we're supposed to enter the communication department, wherever, of course it's clear over there. Yeah, that's where we're going. Okay, here we go. But then my gun is gone, and yeah, I'm not happy about any of that. Bathroom complaint? What? Listen, I know you can't control building shifts, but the executive level restroom has been missing for weeks now. I worked my rear off in the Islamabad station for 3 years. I've earned the right to a nice workplace crapper. If you can't bring it back, at least find out where it went. Guy's restroom ran away. Oh my god. That is insane. Oh my lord. Oh, that was creepy. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Of course. Of course it won't let me into the jukebox. You'll let me touch every other radio in this building except for the jukebox. Okay, whatever. Don't let mold hitch a ride. Perform daily body checks for foreign plant matter. Is that a staple or an altered item? Don't take office equipment outside of the building. What the crap? Delays caused by house shifts do not count towards overtime. Acoustic guitar for sale. Turns out it's pretty hard. Food left in the refrigerator in containment break room 3B has been known to vanish. Plan accordingly. Oh my god. Okay, office rules of conduct. Speed in moderate volume. No personal calls, no food or drinks around bureau documents or in the copy room. No using photocopier for personal objects. What does that say? Or the 3D printer, or the what? Or the bureau stationery. Oh my god.
Again, our welcome message.
Let's just leave as is. Anyone want to pop out and say, good lord? No, I'm not asking if anybody wants to jump out and say good lord. Okay, well, that didn't work. Oh, I guess I made too much noise. I'm sorry. Whoa! Whoa, 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 wow, wow! None of that. None of that. This guy needs to calm down. Holy crap. You are out of control, mister. They said inside voice. Inside voices.
Yes, it's overpowering here. You don't want me anywhere near it. With you on that.
Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay. I see you. Yeah, I saw you coming over here. Who else wants to come get some? Oh, you want to come get some. Oh, anybody else? Anybody else? What's for dinner? Okay, I haven't been here. Dead letters. Singing fish? Oh, I got a singing fish. Something is gonna jump out and scare the bougie out of me. What? Anybody hear that? The computer's still on. Wow. Crap, I'm almost dead. Are you dead? Oh, he's not dead. I'm to shoot you in the face. Don't you come near me. Are you dead? Whoo! Give me all that health. Ah! No, 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 no. Okay. No, 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 and no. Yeah, you thought I was out. Are you still moving? Oh, okay. That's just you dissolving. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead and dissolve. I don't care if you dissolve into nothingness. I would actually prefer it. Okay. Okay. Can't get in there. Doesn't look like I can get in there. Oh no! Oh god, they're dropping. They're dropping like big old spiders from the trees. Oh gird. Oh my gird. How many? Ah my god, I didn't even see you. Oh my god. Okay. Oh great. That's what I thought I was doing, was navigating through the communications department. Uh,
Just look at it. 8 inches wide and capable of storing a whopping 80 kilobytes. Stolen by our friends at the CIA, the disk held the launch codes to Soviet nukes. This is not the disk, of course, but one exactly like it. A perfect fusion of concepts vibrating in the Cold War era collective unconscious. A receptacle. It is a receptacle for dangerous energies to hone in on. And they did. We don't have the details, but when things started flying around the disk, it was transferred to us. It's an object of power. OOP. Oops. Oh, and it can launch things telekinetically through the air. To date, we've launched maybe 3 dozen pencils. And once, we even launched a cup.
he's so proud. Oh. Well, that's a good sign, right? Oh, no. Ow. Dude, you okay? What? Well, there's the hissy who.
An object of power. Looks like the hiss has
Ah!
latched onto it. We need to cleanse it.
Shoot! I don't know how to get over there. I have to deactivate something and it's like flinging crap at my face. Yeah, let me. Woo! um, he's not happy. It's not a thing. Well, it's more of a thing than a person. It's like an inanimate object that's come to life and woke up and chose extreme violence. Like, extreme violence. Oh, shoot. Yeah, see, I can't. Oh. Well, let me get to a safe point. We don't have to go, like, right now. Do we? No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna run in there and this thing is gonna start hurling crap at my face. What am I stuck on? Did you see that? I like got stuck on something. Tried to run in there and my character went all Where are you? It's the floppy disk of doom.
It's harder to hear you when I'm here. It's like the channel's been changed. The board's in charge here. They're pyramids in the Bureau seal. Are they really the ones pulling the strings? I'm not their director. I'm no one's director.
I have telekinesis now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna make killing people much more fun. Oh, okay. Oh, I like it. I like it so much. And bye-bye. You can't tell me that doesn't look like fun. Hey, who's shooting at me?
There you are. You were gone. Cut off. I got it. Just like you wanted, right? This will help me.
There's more than one. Let's see how you like this. Shoot. I'm gonna launch. Whoa, that was cool. I didn't even see that guy. I launched a bunch of these fire extinguishers right at his face and they all blew up.
Emily said that the hotline can be reached through the mailroom.
Okay, well, looking for a key is going to take forever, so I'm going to stop this video here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.